Hi, this is Keith Shabbat, your friend in the mortgage business, and today we're discussing credit repair system. Oftentimes people ask me, Keith, I'm not exactly sure how to fix my credit. I'm aware that there's some issues on my credit. I know that I've had a couple of late payments here in the last 12 to 24 months. Maybe I've even had a severe bankruptcy or repossession. And oftentimes the people don't know where to go. Banks will tell them, fix your credit, come back in. Or you'll sometimes maybe even talk to a credit repair company that can actually charge you a significant amount of money up front and then a monthly charge each time that you talk to them. Here's the thing though, what we've designed and what we've put together is a time-tested template that helps people repair their credit in as short as 90 days if you follow the system step by step. Now the great thing about this template is this: from the beginning to the end, following my system that I've designed and built, within 90 days you can repair your credit and be able to be on your way of owning your own home. Now, people often ask me, Keith, how does this thing work? Well, we've designed this system by working with the three major bureaus such as Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion to find out specifically what they look for when they're actually looking to update a credit report, or what things they need in order to verify something that has either been reported incorrectly. And what we've done is we've put together templates, and the templates that we use, when used correctly or properly, sent into the bureaus, can get your scores updated significantly. Now here's what you're going to need if you're ever going to do the credit repair. You're going to need to at least have a minimum of a computer that has either a word processor, Word Perfect, or a Word document. You're going to need to have a printer. Doesn't need to be color, it just can be black and white. Very, very simple. Now, oftentimes people will say, well, can we use our own credit report? Well, the problem with that is this. The system that we've got designed, we use a credit report that's called a lender's credit report. And if you're looking to find out more information about credit and how credit works, review our credit video that we have here in the educational section. But I'm going to talk to you about, so you're understanding, a lender's credit report is what we look at because that's what we're going to be grading you off of when we qualify you for your mortgage. So unfortunately, if you have one of those bureaus that you get from the freecreditreport.com or any of these other videos that are out there, or that they give you a free credit report, that's considered what you call a consumer credit report. It's not nearly as detailed as a lender's credit report. Now, people say, well, Keith, do you do the work for us? What is the charge? Actually, we don't do the work for you, and that's why there really isn't any charge for us to help you with repairing the credit. Now, we understand that not everybody's going to qualify for our credit repair system. We don't work with anybody. We need to make sure that we understand crystal clear what you're looking to do, and you have to be looking to own a home within the next 6 to 12 months in order to be qualifying or eligible to be able to do our credit repair. Now, the reason we don't do the work for you is we want you to understand what created the damage to your credit and how you can fix it. So basically, from today prior, we know that what you've done obviously has not worked. What we want to do is show you a different way of doing things from today and beyond. That way you understand what makes your credit scores go up and or down. Now, how much time is required to complete the credit repair process? Well, the initial process takes a maximum of 2 weeks. Because it's front loaded, guys, what we do is we have a tremendous amount of information and things that we do up front, because after the 2 weeks there's going to be quite a bit of waiting period. All correspondence that you'll need will be provided to you by the credit bureaus. People ask me, Keith, how much time is required to complete the credit repair process? Well, the initial process takes a maximum of 2 weeks. All correspondence that will need to be provided to the credit bureaus will be needed to be completed and ready and sent within 14 days. Now, guys, there's no exceptions. The reason that we put a time limit on this is this: if it's a priority to you, it will be a priority to us. And there's going to be quite a bit of things that we're doing with you within the first 14 days that you need to understand. And how much assistance we're going to be giving you during the credit repair during the first 14 days is going to be as follows. You will be scheduled for 4 one-on-one consultations via phone in the first 2 weeks with one of our qualified mortgage consultants who will walk you through each step of the process. Now, how much can your credit scores actually increase, or should I expect them to increase in the first 90 days? Our national average for credit score increase is 50 to 70 points, which varies on an individual case-by-case basis. But if you follow our time-tested instructions, we've had clients increase their scores up to 219 points within 90 days of following our system. I hope this helps you understand the process of understanding how to repair your credit. This is Keith Shabbat, your friend in the mortgage business. Thanks again.